Hey kids, like I've got this unpacked RMZ fire truck, and I'm gonna open it. I'm not waiting to Benaya that started it. I'm gonna open it by myself, and he's gonna get it later. That's a cool, very cool RMZ fire truck because it has, although it's a diecast, look, this is it. See, that's a man. It's a man, and why is it not in focus? Why is it not in focus? Well, this is it. That's a man. Very cool diecast fire truck. As you can see, it has all it takes to be a fire truck, and see the RMZ sign, logo, and look what do we have here. We can open it. That's a thing that kids just love. The fact you can describe what's inside, like the also all the pipes and stuff. See, you can see the pipes. You can see everything. And it opens like this, like in the real fire truck. Like you shove it inside and it stays open, and then you close it. And the same here. That I didn't see anywhere else, like in small diecast cars, trucks, cars, etc. Now it's non-electric. Great. Now the wheeling. Sounds like it has a pullback, like you have two wheels on each side, back wheels, and two wheels in front of it. And let's see if that opens. No way. Too much, man. Too much. You couldn't tell really it opens till you look very good at it. So this is, kids, a cool fire truck. Must buy it, really. RMZ fire truck diecast